Honorable Shri S.D. Devgowda address on the Union Budget 2025-26. Sir.
I am grateful to you, sir. I send the message that I am not keeping well. I will not attend today's Parliament. Having the sympathy, you said you lay the papers on the table of the House. Sir, Finance Minister has I have gone through every issue. She has done her best to give the support to all sections of the society. It is not one section. All sections of the society have done your best to protect the interest of the people. I congratulate, and the Prime Minister also has one brochure has been prepared by the Prime Minister. I have gone through that, sir. This, all details have given.